What's popping YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Edwin is behind the camera and Amazon's great Indian sale, whatever, has been very expensive to everyone. Shraddha's new phone, mom's new phone, both are iPhone 11s, black 64GB. And Edwin just got a new phone, iPhone 11 white, 128, right? 128. And like Rohit said in the previous vlog, pause. Like Rohit said in the previous vlog, the best way to save money is to uninstall Flipkart and Amazon during these festive seasons. But if you didn't do that mistake, the app is still there, just comment down below what all you purchased. And yeah, Rohit is in Delhi, he's not in Hyderabad right now, and we are going to play some FIFA and fill up this video. Just say hi until that Edwin, just talk and say hi. Why did you purchase this phone instead of the iPhone 12? And by the time I'm going to just take this call and come back. So Edwin used iPhone 7.
Okay, the reason why did I take the new phone is because of this antique piece.
That's
it's an iPhone 7 128GB. I've been using it. It's almost 4 years for this phone. So recently even I lost this fingerprint thing. So that's the main reason.
Now you permanently lost your fingerprint thing in that phone.
Yeah, but actually I missed the fingerprint thing. So that's the reason I bought this phone, as the Amazon gave a great sale, but not really a great sale.
Dude, that phone retails for wait, hold on. So iPhone 11 retails for 72,000 when it was launched.
But when it was launched, but right now, even in the Apple Store, it is 59,000.
And you got it for 54,000.
I got it for 55,000.
Okay. You save 4,000 rupees.
Yeah, but
for the same product, you save 4,000 rupees.
Yeah, exactly. That is there though, but it's not the huge discount which you see on the Amazon. 18,000 and whatever, that's the launch price.
So, what was the reason for you to get an iPhone 11 instead of an iPhone 12?
So that's the reason I'm telling you, right? Using this antique piece for 4 years and it's almost dying. Even Aditya has the same phone, but he maintains it good. But when it comes to me, I'm a little bit reckless.
Rough.
So, very rough. So that's the reason, yeah, I took this phone. I was waiting for the 12 Pro, which has to come. But I'm not sure if it's coming or not yet. So by the time
booking is open, you want to go and book?
No, not here. On the US. So that's the reason I took this phone for the time now. Yeah.
Okay, now we are going to play some FIFA and I'm going to thrash his ass off. Let's yeah. Want to say bye?
Bye guys.
Until next time.
I'll defeat him now. Chudani.
Perta.
Such a heartbeat pounding in your chest in this story.
Backlash written on me, card popping on a dashboard. I've been ballin', free my lady sitting down and now I'm already out, already on the countdown. I'ma set it right. Got the backlash written on me, cold running from the pole, and it's on me. Don't know which way we going now. I don't wanna know it. I just swear we're going down. I don't wanna know it.
We're going up. We're going under.
No offense, but I'm a very big Real Madrid fan. I'm playing with Man City because in FIFA, I'm good only when I play with Man City. In the 2019 version, probably in 2021 series, I'm going to come back and play with Hazard. So in 2019, Ronaldo is not there, Hazard is not there, and there are a bunch of players who are not there. So I don't want to bore you guys with that. But I'm playing with Man City right now because that's the best team I feel. And Edwin is playing with Bayern, if people are interested in watching football.
Sergio Aguero is the sole striker. Bayern Munich lineup, and Manuel starts to go.
store. In this store. We're going on. We're going on. There's nothing we can't
1-0 here as the half-time whistle goes.
allow it before we let it go down red. It's such a heartbeat, pounding in your chest in this story. We're going under. There's nothing we can do.
ఓకే బ్రో. అరే ఫస్ట్ గోల్ కూడా ఇవ్వకపోతుండే, నేను చాలా రోజుల తర్వాత వచ్చిన ఏందో తీస్తుండు వీడియోలు, ఒకటే ఇచ్చిన అది కూడా.
ఓడినావా లేదా? అదిగో ఏందది? వాట్ డస్ ఇట్ సే?
బట్ యూ ఓన్లీ హ్యాడ్ వన్ గోల్ బ్రో, ఈవెన్ దో యూ హ్యావ్ షాట్స్ ఆన్ టార్గెట్ 5.
Dude, five shots on target, 56 position.
సీరియస్గా ఆడలే అంతేరా?
అబ్బా ఇంకో గేమ్ ఆడతా.
ఇంకో గేమ్ ఎందుకు ఆడ, శుభ్రంగా ఆడతా.
I guess ये रात भर चलेगा. So you want to say bye bye to the video?
Bye.
After playing few more games, I'm going to come back and I'm going to say who won majority of the games. So until that time, bye.
అరే మళ్ళా పెడుతున్నావు అలా సాలే. అబ్బా
After
నాకు
few,
టైం అవుతుందని పోతున్నా, దాని మించి ఏం లేదు.
after few shameful defeats, again 1-0, best team in the world.
1-0
బార్సిలోనా తీసుకున్నాడు, నేను చిన్నప్పటి చెల్సీ తీసుకున్నా. చెప్పురా, మెలడీ తినడం కాదు,
రోజు ఎక్స్బాక్స్ ఆడటం కాదు,
ఆ,
బయట వచ్చి క్రికెట్ ఆడినతో.
ఆ, నేను బాల్ వేస్తాను కొట్టు చూడు.
నీడు లేదు.
See you, man.
బాయ్ గాయ్స్.
The speaker which I got recently, it is nowhere compatible to Bose or JBL or any of the bigger brands. This is, I mean, I just paid 3,000 rupees. Got it from imastudent.com. It was on sale. I'm going to play some non-copyrighted music. Just need to find the remote. Hey. So by the way, that's my ringtone though. I'm sorry. You pay what you get, and for 3,000 rupees, it's decent. It has Bluetooth, it has aux inputs, it also has HDMI output or something for music. Found it decent for the room. I didn't want to spend 30, 40, 50,000 on, you know, home entertainment, home theater systems and all, because बाद में बनेगा home theater. And for the room, this 3,000 rupees speaker is good. I also found some Xiaomi and Vivomi, but Garpet is like strict no about new China products. Old products were okay, but new ones are not. So yeah, the speaker is good. Edwin just left, embarrassing defeat. Now I've got time. I need to edit this vlog. I'm going to upload it tomorrow morning, and also getting tempted to play I'm getting a lot of messages regarding Rohit as well, you know, regarding his high. It's recovering. The doctor said we already consulted our doctor. Doctor said 20 din is the minimum recovery period. You'll have that little mark, and that will take probably 1 or 2 months to go. And yeah, he's recovering. Kuch zyada nahi hua. It's just a wound. It will go off. He has to take some few drops and few medicines. Yeah, so few painkillers and few drops. Good thing is he already started going back to work. He's in Delhi. He's not in Hyderabad. He's going to come back 2 days or 3 days from now. In the next vlog, you can see him. Yeah, this is, and I'm going to play that game. I'm going to play Overwatch right now for some time, and after that I'm going to have early dinner. I'm going to have early dinner, and wait, the time 7:10.
wow. So I'm going to play 1 or 2 games of Overwatch. I'm going to start editing and all, and I have early dinner, complete the edit and upload it by tomorrow morning. So anyways guys, I guess the big billion thing is off for us. बहुत खर्चा हो गया, and if at all you guys purchased anything, please let me know. And I wanted to know in the comment section how many of you are will opt for the PS5 or how many of you will opt for the Series X. I'm going to buy either one of them. So I've seen multiple videos. अभी भी testing phase में ही है. I mean the big tech reviewers are getting it. So I'm waiting for the review, and probably on November 5th or something, PS5 is going to get released in India. No idea about when the Xbox is going to get released. So let's wait for them. Let's see the reviews. But until then, just help me to figure out how to narrow down whether I need to buy the PS or the Xbox. So until then, peace boys. Bye.